Hey there! Excited for my new video? It's informative and visually appealing. Let's get started. Could investing in luxurious skincare products be necessary? Or might the key to radiant skin have been in your kitchen cabinets all this time? The essential secret ingredient renowned for its ability to promote radiant and luminous skin in Korean skincare products is rice. Get ready for a rice-inspired skincare extravaganza. Coming up, rice cleanser, rice toner, rice mask, rice serum, rice cream. It's a rice party for your skin. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon before you get started. Number 1. Rice cleanser. Ingredients: 1 cup of white rice, 4 tsp of liquid Castile soap or natural baby wash, 1 capsule of vitamin E, 6 tsp of rose water, 1 tsp of coconut oil or almond oil. Soak the washed rice by adding water around 2 to 3 inches above for 5 to 6 hours. Grind the rice along with water, you will get a smooth rice milk. Once cooled, add the rice mixture, a vitamin E capsule, rose water, liquid soap, and coconut or almond oil into the jar. Grind for 5 to 6 seconds, you will get a smooth and creamy mixture. Your homemade all-natural rice face wash is ready. Transfer the face wash in a clean bottle. Number 2. Rice toner. Ingredients: 1 cup rice. Soak the rice water in water overnight. Collect the water the next morning. Allow it to ferment for 2 to 3 days. Use the fermented rice water as a face toner in the morning after your shower and right before you go to bed. Number 3. Rice mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of oats, 1 teaspoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of honey. Combine all the ingredients. Apply and let sit for 10 minutes. Rinse off and moisturize. Use this twice a week for best results. Number 4. Rice serum. Ingredients: fresh extracted aloe vera gel, rice water, vitamin E capsule. In an empty serum bottle, add 3 teaspoons of rice water and 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed aloe vera gel. Rip 2 vitamin E capsules and pour the ingredient into the mix. Shake the bottle so that the 3 ingredients are nicely blended and your serum is ready to use. Number 5. Face cream. Ingredients: rice, glycerine, vitamin E capsule, essential oil. Rinse and soak the rice overnight. Boil the rice until it softens. Strain the mixture. Grind the boiled rice until it becomes a smooth cream texture. Combine the rice paste with glycerin, vitamin E capsules, and a few drops of essential oil. Transfer the rice cream into an airtight container that is suitable for refrigerator. Apply it overnight after washing your face with rice. Rice is known to minimize pores, enhance skin tone, firm the skin, and alleviate rough skin texture. This ancient beauty secret can help you achieve radiant and beautiful skin. I hope you had a blast watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for some fab beauty secrets and tips. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.